VPK Podshipnik presents the UCP204 housing unit from the Polish company CX. This housing unit, also known as a bearing insert, consists of a single-row UC204 ball bearing sealed on both sides by a sealing system that prevents dust and dirt from entering the bearing. The outer ring is spherical with a groove and lubrication holes, while the inner race is cylindrical with two 3mm hexagon locking bolts for securing the bearing to the shaft. The bearing is pressed into the housing. The P204 housing is made of gray cast iron and has a spherical seating surface. This, together with the spherical bearing, allows for compensation of initial shaft misalignment, but does not allow for axial displacement. A special nipple is provided for bearing lubrication. During operation, the housing rests on 2 feet with 2 through holes for the bolts. Bearing size: inner diameter 20 mm, sphere outer diameter 47 mm, inner ring length 31 mm, outer ring height 16 mm, housing length 127 mm. And the distance between M10 bolt holes is 95 mm. Learn more about this and other bearings on the company's website. You can also purchase a grease gun, hoses for hard-to-reach areas, and grease in our online store. VPK bearings to keep everything running.